Hey guys, so today's gonna be a super quick video. Sorry if you hear cars going by. It's like hot as hell and I got my windows open, but it's gonna be a quick video because there's really not much to it. My makeup's pretty much done for the day. It's like super simple, and I'm just going to be, I guess, a first impressions trying out these two products, which are new from McGRATH. It's the Divine Blush, and the shade is LoveStruck, and the Lip Fetish Divine Lip Shine, which I think it's like a balm, and this is Lip Shine 598 Flesh 7. These were a surprise anniversary gift from my husband, so yeah. I do want to get the highlight also that goes with that. If I do get it, you'll just see it in another video. I also tried a new brow product today from Amazon, so I'll probably be doing a review on that once I use it a little bit longer. And I also have an upcoming Shein haul. I'm just waiting for one more package, so it should be around 2 weeks from now, which that would go out. So anyways, let's just go ahead and try these products. So this is what the blush package looks like. Just says McGRATH Labs, and again, this is LoveStruck. It has a mirror, and this is what the color looks like. You can see it has like a flower shape inside, and the mirror is a good compact size mirror. So yeah, I have really light makeup on today. I'm not doing much because I'm not going anywhere anyway, so I'm gonna use a big old brush like this. This is an e.l.f. brush. So I'm just going to, that's a lot of color. I'm gonna top some off because I'm nervous. I'm not sure how this color is gonna look on me either, so. It's really pretty, but it's like really strong. I might have to like go back and put some more bronzer on to balance it a little bit, because it is like, it is on there like, wow. So that's the blush. I definitely got a lot more on this side from the first application. This side looks a little nicer to me, at least like in the mirror. So I would be careful because these things are like, it's really pigmented. So I did go ahead and add a little bit of Fenty bronzer and a little bit more of Anastasia highlight, but you can see it's like really bright. Use a light hand. So I think I'm just gonna call this a first impressions. I'm going to use it a few more times, get like a good idea of how much product is actually needed, and then I may just end up doing just like a McGRATH type of video to do an eye look and use the blush and highlights with it too, and see how it comes out. And then probably in that video I'll give my final thoughts. Really, my current first impressions though is that I really do like it. The packaging is nice, the mirror is nice, color payoff is obviously phenomenal. The color looks nice on me. I just wish I didn't go in so heavy-handedly. Yeah, so that's that. So here's the Lip Shine Lip Balm, and it's in a metallic pink packaging to go with like the Divine Rose type of vibe. And here is what the color looks like, and let's see. So this is what it looks like full pigment payoff. It's really shiny. It's, I don't think it dries down. My ring light is just like catching every glimmer of it because it's so shiny. So as far as how it looks like with full color payoff, it's not really my thing, but what I liked about it, like as I was putting it on, is you could easily get the vibe of like, you know, when your lip color is darker in the center and like it feathers out and is usually like a mauve or a pink, and it's very like a, it's like kind of more of like an Asian type of style. I don't know what it's called honestly, but you can easily make that kind of lip with this, which is what I would probably use it for. Like that, I absolutely love it. Like this is probably one of my favorite lip products that I have now. So yeah, full coverage, like if you really put it on, obviously you can build it, but I personally don't like how it looks full coverage. That being said, it was really easy for me to wipe off by just like pressing my lips to a tissue. So if you do it a light coverage like I'm doing, you probably will have to reapply on a pretty regular basis, because this obviously does not dry down. Anything you put your lips on, it's eventually going to wear off. Even if you don't drink or something, it's going to wear off by itself because of the type of, like, it's a lip balm basically. I like how it looks with the sheer color more than it is built on. It's comfortable, it's nice. Like, it feels thinner than Vaseline, but not as slippery as Vaseline. Like, there's a little bit of pull when you push your lips together, but it's thin. So I don't want to say it's greasy either. I can't explain it, but I do like it a lot. If I had to pick one or the other, I'd probably pick the lip, just because like I really love that color and I love how it looks sheared out. But the blush is really nice too. So actually I think I am gonna order the highlight, and then I will, like I said, I'm going to give this a couple more tries, and then I'll make a video with the highlight. And I guess since it's a part of the Divine Rose thing, I'll bring out my Divine Rose 2 palette, do a look with it, put it all together, and then I'll have my final thoughts on the blush, the highlight I'm getting, and I'll probably throw this lip on again just to keep it all like cohesive in the same line. But yeah, that's basically the end of the video. Like I said, it was gonna be really short, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.